Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to make Apache with mod_python collect its zombies. Zombies are defunct child processes that have completed their execution but are still present in the process table, consuming system resources. This issue can affect the performance and stability of your Apache web server. We will go through the steps to identify and resolve this problem with code examples. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. SSH into your server where Apache is running. Open a terminal and execute the following command to check for zombie processes related to Apache. If you see any processes in the output that have a status of zombie, it means you have zombie processes that need to be addressed. Zombie processes occur when child processes spawned by Apache with mod_python don't properly exit after serving a request. This can happen due to various reasons, such as issues in your Python code or mod_python configuration. To resolve the issue of zombie processes, you can follow these steps. First, review your Python code carefully. Ensure that your code doesn't have any issues that might lead to processes not properly exiting. Look for any unclosed resources like files or database connections. Review your mod_python configuration to ensure it's correctly set up. Make sure you have the necessary directives in your Apache configuration file, example httpd.conf or apache2.conf, to handle mod_python processes effectively. Here's an example of a minimal mod_python configuration. Ensure that Python debug is set to on for debugging purposes. Inside your Python code, implement proper exception handling to catch and log any errors or exceptions that might occur during request processing. This will help in diagnosing and fixing issues that could lead to zombie processes. Regularly monitor your Apache error logs, error_log, for any error messages related to mod_python. This will help you identify specific issues in your code or configuration that may be causing zombie processes. In some cases, a temporary solution to clear zombie processes is to restart Apache. However, this is not a long-term solution and should only be used while you investigate and fix the root cause of the problem. Zombie processes can be a nuisance for your Apache/mod_python web server, but by following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can identify, diagnose, and resolve the issue. Remember to regularly monitor your server, review your Python code, and check your mod_python configuration to ensure your web server runs smoothly without accumulating zombie processes. ChatGPT.